sensitive aspect through this film. And maybe it was an observer's point of view instead of a performer's point of view. And I'm sure that everybody who's sitting here has seen that transformation. And like I said in the first session, that my personal fear and why we have set up this Qawwali seminar is that the lines between the spirituality of Qawwali and the entertainment of Qawwali is thinning so fast at such a rapid pace that I fear that after some time we may lose the spirituality and be left with merely the entertainment format. So there is now a time for people like Saklen, the upcoming generation, who've had wonderful training by none other than Miraj Sahab, to take this forward and form a confluence and take it forward. Thank you, Dinesh. That was, a very sensitive portrait. And I don't know how many trips you had to take for that. The first time I met you, you told me that you have never undertaken Qawwali or shot Qawwali, a photographer that did photography for it.
Well,
in your experience.
I've never photographed Qawwali. I've never really photographed musicians. I've never made a video. I've never recorded audio. I've never sat and made a film like this. But as I went along and when Manjali would ask me to do something like this, I thought कि हाँ एक दिन पंजाब नहीं जाऊँगा कुछ shoot करूँगा, and you were kind enough to introduce me to Saklen. तो उनसे भी बात करी, सोचा एक दो दिन में हो जाएगा सब कुछ, but जैसे वहाँ समय बिताया इनके साथ बात करी, मेरे को लगा कि इंसानियत के तौर पे इसमें और कुछ बहुत कुछ है. It's not just about Qawwali, it's not just about music. It's about how we have to live a tradition, how we have to live with change. And I think it's a question which is extremely important to our society and our country, especially at this time. So probably I was just addressing that at some level.
That's a lovely purpose to be doing that, because different forms, whether it's photography, whether it's performing, whether it's talk, whether it's discussion, it all helps to let an art form live and be disseminated, and the information documented, whether in words, whether in photography. It's very important in today's time for us to do that. And Dinesh has helped us do this for Qawwali, and we are very grateful to him for taking this up.
I'm grateful to you to let me do this.
Now, moving on to, if there are any more questions that anybody wants to ask from Dinesh, we could take that. Yeah.
We can see the presents first.
Yeah, okay. So we move on to the next section, which is again a short film on Basant, which is shot by Amit Mehra. Amit has been working on Sufism for last more than, I think, 15 years or 10 years, 15 years. And currently he's working on an extensive project which requires him to travel for documenting Sufism throughout Asia. And he has done this short film, which he is presenting today. So I would like to welcome Amit to tell about his film, and we'll see the film.
Namaskar, Miraj Sahab, ijazat hai. Thank you, Dinesh. I think it was a wonderful presentation. You said, as Manjali said, and you said you never experienced something like this, but I think there were some images which were outstanding. And the overall concept, the way you worked, it was incredible. So thank you so much for putting all the effort again. It's very important for the people who don't work on this subject to get them and to work in this sphere of social aspect, because Dinesh's idea is not only music; it's a social commentary. So which is very relevant from the point of view. It was a very different take. As far as my presentation is concerned, I won't call it a film, frankly speaking. It's a 4-minute, or you can call it a short, very short film. It's about Basant. Basant जो है, मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. बसंत जो है हमारे यहाँ युगों से मनाई जा रही है, और सूफी सिलसिले में बसंत का जो एक समावेश हुआ वो एक बहुत ही एक इंटरेस्टिंग हादसा रहा है। एक हज़रत निज़ामुद्दीन औलिया के वक्त में एक दिन था जिस वक्त हज़रत साहब बहुत ही मायूस बैठे थे दरगाह में, और किसी को समझ नहीं आ रहा था, कई दिन हो गए थे कि वो इतने मायूस क्यों हैं। वो किसी से बात नहीं करते थे, कोई उनका किसी चीज़ में जी नहीं लगता था। तो एक दिन अमीर खुसरो साहब ने देखा कि कुछ एक महिलाएं, कुछ एक औरतें बसंती कपड़े पहने निज़ामुद्दीन, जिसे आज की तारीख में हम निज़ामुद्दीन कहते हैं, ईस्ट वेस्ट, उस रोड से जा रहे थे। तो उन्होंने पूछा, भाई आप लोग ये क्या कर रहे हो? गाते बजाते जा रहे थे, एक सेलिब्रेशन था। तो उन्होंने पूछा, ये आप लोग ये क्या कर रहे हो? उन्होंने कहा, बसंत शुरू हो गई है और हम कालका मंदिर जा रहे हैं। हम कालका मंदिर जा रहे हैं, देवी की उपासना कर रहे हैं, आज बसंत है। वहां से ये एक बसंत का सिलसिला शुरू हुआ। इकबाल साहब, मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ? जो मुझे आपके यहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन मिली दरगाह से, दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन दैट, which actually talks about the syncretic culture of India, how the Hindus and Muslims celebrate each other festival. There's a very small presentation which I would like to have. Can we switch out the light, please? Incidentally, this film is, again, I think Miraj Saab is predominantly this session. This film is also based. The unusual aspect, what intrigued me to shoot this, they were walking while singing, which is very unique and which is normally not seen. It happens on very few days when they walk along with the chadar to pay homage, which was something what intrigued me to shoot this.